So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions for this video. So for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So just go to your Google Play Store, and now on the top, just search for Ticketmaster. And then from here, guys, just make sure you are running the latest version. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now for the second solution, just go to your settings and then go to the apps. And then on the apps, guys, just find Ticketmaster over here. And once you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage. And guys, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Ticketmaster and you will be able to log in. And guys, if that doesn't work, for the last solution, just reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall the app on your device, and then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Ticketmaster app, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!